are going to understand how to create an Instagram account. So we are going to start first with installing this account, and in this video we'll learn how to create an Instagram account. So let's just start and understand how to do it. Firstly, you have to go in Play Store and then browse out Instagram. The spelling is here, dude. This one. So go in Play Store and browse out Instagram. Then install Instagram by clicking on the install button. Then they'll give you some things that click on next or accept it. Then they'll give you 3 options: login with Facebook, email ID, phone number. You can either log in with Facebook, email ID or phone number. I'll tell you email ID is also a very good option. So whatever you prefer the best, you can go with it. See, firstly go on Play Store, browse out Instagram, install it. Then they'll give you options to log in to create your account, either created by Facebook, email ID, phone number. So whichever you prefer, the best one for you, the suitable one for you, just go by that. Then they'll ask you to add username, add account name. See, username is the name that people are going to browse you out, means search you upon. It actually works out. It is in the real picture. So if you are in a business account, put your business name there. Personal account, put your name there. And if it's a normal account, then whatever you have decided, just put it there. Then comes your account name. If you want to keep it same as username, then too it is okay. Just click on keeping next. Click on next. Then they'll ask you to add a profile photo. Click on it, select the required profile photo and crop it down. Okay. Now in settings you can just add your bio. That is all what about your Instagram page is all about. So you're going to create a very suitable Instagram bio for yourself, for your brand, and you're going to add it there. And now comes the next thing, that is call to action, which is through links. If you have any YouTube channel, if you have any other website or shopping website or shopping page, just copy the URL from there and paste it over here. That is your link. So firstly you are going to start with installing it. Then you are going to log in. Put your username, account name, profile photo, add a bio text, and then you can just add a link. And here's your Instagram account created. So this is very much easy to just install the Instagram account. So you can just create it in this ways. These are the steps that will help you to create your Instagram account.